In ancient times, people believed that sneezing expelled evil spirits from the body. To protect the sneezer, others would say, "Bless you," to ward off these spirits. During the 6th century, Pope Gregory I declared, "God bless you," as a prayer to combat the plague, which often started with sneezing. This practice spread across Europe as a way to wish good health. Today, saying "bless you" has become a common courtesy, a way to acknowledge someone's sneeze and express concern for their well-being. It's a small gesture rooted in history, blending superstition, religion, and social etiquette.